yung kay former President Duterte also, he said that he had nothing more to say, to add, given his testimony in the Senate, the drug war probe. And he also said na wala na daw siyang pera para pamasahe. Papamasahihan niyo daw ba siya? That's how he said it, na wala na daw siyang pera pamasahe. So how do you respond to this, na he has nothing to add more to what he said in the Senate? So do you agree with that? And yung second na wala daw siyang pamasahe papunta dito.
Well, in fact, that was stated in the letter of Attorney Delgra. No? Sabi niya, he has nothing more to add. No? Dun sa Quadcom, sinabi na daw niya lahat ng na gusto niyang sabihin sa ano. And of course, we took note of that. No? Pero nga, mas maganda nga sana na sa kagustuhan ng mga mayorya ng membro ng Quadcom na makaharap at matanong direkta ang ating Pangulo, dating Pangulo. So, I think if the President would welcome that, we will appreciate, no? Kapag siya nag-attend. Yun nga lang po, nagkaroon lamang po ng cancellation ngayong Wednesday because of the reasons I stated earlier at hindi dahil sa sinasabi ng mga vlogger. Wala hong hindi ho namin pinakikinggan yan. Nababasa-basa lang po natin yan. Kung sa mga pamasahe naman, nag-usap-usap ang mga chairman. Ang pinakamalaking ambag ay si Congressman Dan at gusto lamang malaman kung ilan sila, no, so that we can also accommodate at ma-arrange din po yung mga accommodation.
And at the same time siguro we have to make it formal, no? I-formalize natin lahat kasi nga pag yung sa social media tayo nagsagutan, I think it will not be proper, no? At maliligaw po tayo. Especially yan, nagpo-pronounce sila that they will be attending. And it's not even coming from the president, di ba? So we are governed by the rule of law and we are governed by the rules of the committee. And I hope that kung talagang a-attend po ang presidente, now is the right time to notify the committee, especially November 21 pa naman yan, malayo pa, Thursday pa. So we have all the time, no, para i-prepare. Ang problem talaga, alam nyo, mahirap din naman po yung bukas maghihiring na po kami. Eh di somebody will accuse us that we are, kumbaga, binibreak namin yung own rules namin of the three-day notice. Kaya sana po, no, ibalik na po natin yung tamang proseso para na sa ganon, we will be guided accordingly.
Chairman Abante.
Just lang sir, to add, yung sinabi niyang wala siyang pamasahe, it was a press conference. It was not a social, hindi siya galing sa vlogger. He had a press conference and he said na yun nga, wala daw siyang pamasahe.
Well, nasagot na po ni Chairman Ace Barberson tungkol dito. So, we're willing to chip in kung talagang kinakailangan. No? If really the President wants to come. Hindi namin siya pipilitin, no, according to his condition, health condition, o mental condition. Kami naman, we would like the people to know that we have high respect for the former President. And we really want to, to hear his side of the issue. Kahit na po marami siyang nasabi sa Senado, it's up to him actually.